today's video, I am going to unbox and use this Vileda Easy Wring microfiber spin mop system, which I bought in June of 2026 at Costco for $44.99 Canadian plus tax. Contents of the box are the bucket itself, 3 mops, the extendable handle, and this head which goes on the mop. You can see there's kind of a line that will line up with this, and it clicks on, and then obviously the handle screws into place. The first thing we do is fill the bucket with water, and it says on the instructions, which are on the side of the box, to not use bleach. And if you can see there where my finger is, it says max, and there's a line there, so you fill it to that max line. The handle is extendable. This is about the height that I'm going to use because I'm going to be washing these walls with TSP and water before painting. To change the length of it is turn the handle like this, counterclockwise, push it up, turn it again, and it locks, and the same on the far end here. To use the wringer, you soak the mop. As you can see, that is soaking wet. Then you place it in the wringer and hold the mop loosely. Now I used it before and I held it up towards the top, but I want you to be able to see this on the camera here. And then use the foot pump, and it'll spin the mop. See, I'm just holding it loosely there, right? I gotta tell you, I've used this a couple times and it works. If you keep doing that, you'll get the mop to almost to a point where it's dry. See, that's still moist, but that got rid of a lot of the water in it. I wanted this mop where I can adjust the amount of moisture in it because I've been painting the whole house, and I've been using this to clean the wall with TSP, and I was using a regular mop, like wringing it out to try to get the TSP off of the wall afterwards. And that's a lot of work on the forearms. I have a video on this unit, which is awesome. I've been cleaning everything under the sun with it. HOTO cleaner, this is what I clean with the TSP. I'll put a link to that video down below. But anyway, I'm gonna wet the walls here. Show you what we're doing. So I can tell I'm a fan of this already. It's not a sponsored video, this is just the unit I bought. But I really like the way you can adjust the amount of water in the mop. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. One last thing, to remove the handle from the mop, you position it like this, put your foot on the strands of the mop, and tilt the handle.